What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 10th of July, heading through this month pretty quick, it seems here. We are taking a look this morning at Pepe 2.0. We are currently on the CoinMarketCap website. Hope everybody had a great weekend here. Back Monday, markets are open. Crypto markets, on the other hand, are never closed, so that is nice. So, like I said, we're taking a look at Pepe 2.0. We are on CoinMarketCap. We'll take a look at the charts. We'll wrap this video up. Appreciate all of the new subscribers. Thanks, guys, and welcome. So, according to CoinMarketCap, Pepe down 22.28, Pepe 2.0 down 22% on this Monday morning, guys. If we take a look down here, we scroll down on the CoinMarketCap website. Doesn't look like we have any more major exchanges here listed for Pepe 2.0. We don't have a Robinhood. We don't have a Coinbase. We don't have an Uphold. Looks like from a liquidity score on CoinMarketCap, you have Uniswap being that has your highest liquidity score according to CoinMarketCap over here. So let's take a look over at the, looks like you can pick up some of this on Bybit, Gate.io, and a couple other Bitmart. Interesting. So let's go take a look over at the charts. Got a couple different levels I want to share with you and also share some of my thoughts here on the Pepe 2.0. So here we are looking at the markets. We've got a mixed market this morning across the board. Got some red, got some green. We'll see what happens here for this 10th of July. So Pepe, so far, the top has been in at our level up there. We spoke about this days ago, that we have an upper target, and that could be the top for Pepe, at least for the short term. Of course, long term, this thing can basically go anywhere it wants to go. But for right now, that was the highest level we had, and that was the 27.75 level. Go back and watch some of those older 2.0 Pepe videos, and we spoke about this level, and that is exactly where the top of the market came in. And ever since then, we have been pulling back. So we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4 days here down in the red. If we take the highs of this chart, we are roughly down off the highs about 60%. Well, question is, how much further can this market go? Well, I talked about potentially somewhere within this level. So this is basically anywhere between the, looks like 247.5 up to roughly like the 82.59 level. That would just represent the top end of these candles here, basically as support. Doesn't mean the market's going to go down that far. That would be quite a bit farther. If things get real ugly here in the market, of course it could. But that would basically put the price down another 40 to 50%. So not saying that will happen, but there's a chance. Keep that in mind. So I have two targets here. Let me drink some coffee real quick. Two targets in this market, both above and below. Two new targets I should have mentioned. We have, let's start off with the lower target, which is way down here, guys. This puts the price at new lows. Doesn't mean it will get hit. At some point, it could get hit, of course. That would put the price down big time. So we're not saying that's going to happen, but that would put the price down basically 85% from where it's at, way down there at the basically at the 1388 level. Above the market, so for the Pepe 2.0 bulls, we have a target up in here, give or take the, let's see, that would be like the 28.59 level. 28.59 level. I actually have two levels shown over here, but I'm only supposed to have one. So it's roughly up there at the 28.59 level. Right up in here, which would put the price above the all-time highs. So if we take our percentage tool here and we get us back up to the all-time highs, roughly 150%, give or take. So that would put us up like 228, give or take. And that level is, like I said, the 285.9 level. So we'll see at some point here, will these markets recover and get up to that price level? Time will tell. So that is the two areas I have on the chart. We have a new lower and a new upper, and right now we are range bound. At some point here, these markets are either going to continue to fade, or we're going to get that start to move higher into either a lower high and a higher low, which could lead to a higher high, or it's just going to rocket into a higher high, getting us up to that new target, which is that 285.9 level, and then a pullback to a higher low, and then another higher high, reversing the trend. But so far, the top is in. We've been putting in new lows every day here, at least for the last 2 days. And so we're just keeping an eye on this. It's at a good discount right now. You know, that's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy this thing, but just watching my levels here. And we do have a new upper level up there. So that indicates to us that at some point this market will start to move back to the upside. But keep in mind, there's a chance for this price to head all the way down here to the 7.3 level, even down here to, or not, excuse me, not 7.3, the 4.4 level and or the 5.2 level. Basically these highs and then these highs. So anywhere within this range. It really depends on what the rest of the market does. We'll come back to this chart in just a moment. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding tight. You know, it's not breaking down. Resistance up there at 31,573, one of our levels. So let's see what happens with this thing. Is it going to finally find support and start to rocket to the upside? Is it going to roll over? Are they going to pull the plug? Right now, we're just in a sideways, range-bound, quiet, boring market for Bitcoin. Not selling off, not rallying. So one of two will happen shortly, and that will change what happens here in the markets and definitely the Pepe 2.0 market. So we will have to see, guys. Let's throw some fibs up on here. Let's take we'll take this swing high and we'll take that swing low. And you could see right now the price is holding on the 786 based on that swing high and swing low. Right here, the 786. 618 puts the price down a little lower, basically the 6.2 level. And then you have the 0.5 fib down there at the level we were talking about. So you have potentially two more fibs above that 786, 618, where price could find support. If we go into some new highs here, we have the 1618, which would put the price up another from where it's currently trading. If we got to there in a day, that'd be about a 500% move. So that's up there at the 528 level for Pepe. So right now, we are just keeping an eye on Bitcoin. We are keeping an eye on our levels. We are aware that the price could pull back all the way down into here. Potentially, right now we're sitting at a fib level. We have respect at our level up here as the first major resistance, although we do have a new target above the market. So at some point, we do expect prices to move higher. No guarantee, but as of right now, things are looking okay. If they rug pull this thing, Obviously, we're not going to get up to that lower target, and there's a good chance we'll be heading down to this target, if not lower. But right now, it's looking okay. So that's my thoughts on Pepe. There's potential for, 500% move. There's potential for another move getting up to here, which is about a 225 or so percent move in a strong uptrending market. So far, this market is still trending higher, and let me show you that. So we are still trending higher. We have the initial rally, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, and we have a higher low. The trend is still to the upside on this, guys. Until we print a lower high and a lower low, the uptrend will not be broken until then. So we need to see that. So at some point here, don't mind my bad drawings here, we'll print a lower high and a lower low. Market will have rolled over. Or if they really pull the plug, we'll just drop and print a lower low, undercutting this low here on the 2nd of July. And that will change the trend as well. So this is super low priced, and there's going to be a lot of volatility. So we could see major percentage moves, as you already know. Guys, welcome to the channel. If you were not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about Pepe 2.0 and or regular Pepe down in the comments. And we'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.